Do you truly understand what it takes to maintain a hydraulic system? Today, we are breaking it down from A to Z in the simplest way possible. This is a psychological approach designed to instantly shift your mindset and build true technical intuition. So what exactly is a system? Simply put, a machine is built to execute your command. It exists to fulfill your operational intent. But to properly maintain it, do you know what is actually inside your system? Every hydraulic system on the planet relies on three core elements: metal, oil, and seals. Every component that drives and steers your operational intent is crafted from metal. From high-precision control units to the heavy-duty parts that bear the entire load of the operation, it is all built on this metallic foundation. Second, oil. The immense energy required to do the heavy lifting is transmitted by the fluid. This is pure power transmission. Third, seals. Engineered rubber and plastics trap the pressure, creating a closed circuit. They are the silent guardians of your system integrity. How is all of this controlled? The actual physical work is done by the delivery unit, like the hydraulic actuators, but they need raw energy. That raw energy is forcefully provided by the hydraulic pump. And to guide that massive power exactly where it needs to go, we use the control unit, featuring high-precision directional and proportional valves. Now, pay close attention. To keep that highly pressurized oil trapped inside without leaking, we rely entirely on those flexible seals. Remember this: the moment the delicate synergy between metal, oil, and seals is broken, your operational intent is destroyed. In the engineering world, we officially call this catastrophic event a system failure. Here is the ultimate hidden secret. The pump generates pressure based on the load, but the gap between the moving parts inside that pump and the metal spool inside your valves is microscopic. They are designed to prevent oil from escaping, even under extreme pressure. We are talking about micron-level accuracy. If oil escapes through these sensitive gaps, you face internal leakage. Instantly, the system's volumetric efficiency drops. Your closed circuit turns into an open circuit, and the system collapses. When this happens inside high-tech pumps or servo valves, it literally evaporates thousands of dollars. This brings us to two ultimate questions. First, why do these indestructible metal parts actually fail? And second, how do we protect them? The answer lies in a microscopic shield known as the OI. Why do indestructible metal components tear themselves apart? The answer is friction. And the only thing standing between your system and total destruction is a perfectly functioning microscopic shield known as the oil film. This invisible layer, along with its thermal stability, performs a monumental task in protecting every moving part. As operators, our ultimate responsibility is simply to protect this film. In fact, global engineering standards confirm that 75 to 80% of all system failures can be entirely prevented simply by maintaining oil viscosity and overall fluid condition. So, ask yourself, is hydraulic oil just a basic liquid? Absolutely not. It is the lifeblood of your system. The total responsibility of protecting your highly expensive, highly sensitive components falls entirely on this fluid. How exactly does it provide this protection? It executes 5 critical functions. Number 1, power transmission, delivering massive, unyielding force directly to the target. Number 2, Lubrication, creating that invincible oil film to eliminate metal-to-metal contact. Number 3, heat dissipation, absorbing and controlling the extreme destructive temperatures generated inside the system. Number 4, contamination control, sweeping away abrasive dust and microscopic metal shavings directly into the filters, keeping the system immaculate. Number 5, condition monitoring, acting as a crystal ball. Through SOS oil analysis, it predicts and prevents catastrophic breakdowns long before they happen. But if this system is so perfectly designed, why does the protective oil film fail? Why does the system's closed-loop integrity collapse? To understand this, we must classify system faults into 2 main categories. First, we have internal faults. These manifest as severe physical damage to the metal components and devastating internal or external oil leaks. But here is the ultimate mystery. What actually triggers these internal faults from the outside? Who or what is the real culprit? There are 5 major external forces that trigger these internal failures. Number 1, human errors, operating the machine outside its engineered parameters, pure operational negligence. Number 2, side loads. This is the number 1 killer of hydraulic cylinders. When a shaft takes force from an unintended angle, it creates destructive side loading. The surface suffers severe scoring and abrasive wear. Over time, this transforms into deep corrosion. When that rough, scarred shaft moves, it shreds the sensitive internal seals, resulting in massive, unstoppable oil leaks. Number 3, alignment issues. If the shaft alignment between the motor and the pump is off by even a few microns, the resulting vibration will instantly shatter the bearings and couplings. Even worse, improper cylinder mounting causes asymmetrical friction, slicing the seals and slicing the system's lifespan in half. Number 4, particle and water contamination. Microscopic dust particles act like liquid sandpaper inside those sensitive valves, causing severe abrasive wear. Furthermore, invading moisture destroys the protective lubrication film, triggering internal rust and rapid oil degradation. Number 5, external heat. Unwanted ambient temperatures baking the system from the outside. How do we control these 5 external threats? We must deploy strict, uncompromising maintenance strategies. To shield the entire system from these external threats and human errors, we deploy a 3-tiered defense strategy. Tier 1, autonomous maintenance, the first line of defense. Before operating, you use your eyes, ears, and hands to detect abnormal sounds, extreme temperatures, or minor oil leaks. Tier 2, predictive maintenance, or PDM. We do not wait for the machine to break. We read the data and the warning signs to predict and intercept a failure before it strikes. Tier 3, maintenance. This is the absolute highest level of engineering maintenance. We go beyond predicting the failure. We hunt down the dust, the heat, and the destructive side loads, and we eliminate them. This is root cause elimination. It permanently closes the door on system breakdowns. Proactive. To successfully execute this predictive maintenance, the global industry relies on advanced diagnostic technologies. Technology 1, thermal imaging. Using infrared cameras to expose the invisible heat generated by internal friction and microscopic valve leaks. Technology 2, ultrasound analysis. Listening to the extreme high-frequency acoustic waves, exposing microscopic bearing scratches, and the devastating effects of pump cavitation. Technology 3. SOS. Scheduled oil sampling. Think of this as a blood test for your machine. By analyzing a fluid sample, we don't just detect wear metals from failing components, we pinpoint invading dust particles and moisture long before the system fractures. Technology 4. Motion amplification video analysis. Capturing micro-vibrations and structural flexing completely invisible to the naked eye, using high-speed cameras and software to amplify and expose the hidden mechanical stress. Technology 5. Trend analysis with AI. Measuring vibration, alignment, and SOS data for just one single day is never enough. By plotting this data onto charts over time and unleashing modern software and artificial intelligence, we can now predict the exact time frame of a system failure with lethal accuracy. This is exactly how multi-million-dollar components like variable displacement piston pumps and servo and proportional valves survive for decades, completely immune to sudden, catastrophic breakdowns. But remember, when working with extreme high-pressure hydraulics, never compromise. Always wear your safety glasses, gloves, and complete PPE, personal protective equipment. No matter how advanced the technology gets, the lifespan of your machine and the safety of your own life relies entirely on strict workplace discipline. To survive, we follow 3 global standards. Standard 1. The 5S methodology. Keeping the workspace organized is not about aesthetics. It is a tactical defense, preventing particle contamination and allowing you to instantly spot the slightest oil leak. Standard 2. LOTO. Lockout, tagout. This is the golden rule that keeps you alive. Before performing any maintenance on high-pressure systems, physically lock the system, display a warning tag, and absolutely guarantee a zero-energy state. Standard 3. JSA. Job Safety Analysis. Before executing any task, a true professional analyzes every potential hazard with a hyper-focused mind, establishing preemptive safety protocols. That is the mark of a master engineer. Operating a hydraulic system flawlessly for 20 years is not luck. It is a highly engineered process built on absolute understanding. If you have grasped the science behind the oil film today, that knowledge alone is enough to protect your system. We also explored the most elite technologies on the planet. Your machine might be small, but absorbing this advanced global knowledge gives you a massive professional advantage. Now you have the power to intervene at the highest technical level and keep your machine indestructible. We will dive even deeper into these secrets in our upcoming videos. Apply this mastery to your career. Protect your machinery and protect your life. If this technical breakdown brought you value, hit the like button, share it with your network, and strengthen our community. Keep watching eMind, undoubtedly recognized. Stay focused and stay technical.